Hello everyone. Today's topic is mean and median of ungrouped data and frequency polygon. Okay, so what is mean? Mean, you have already familiar with this term. Mean means what? Average. Okay, mean means average. Okay, so if there are the weights of 5 students, for example, the weights of 5 students are 35 kg, 45 kg, 46 kg, 48 and 50. These are the weights of 5 students. Okay, then average of average of weight of these boys will be sum of these observation. These are the observation. So sum of these observation sum of these observation by number of observation. Okay, so average weight will be 35 plus 45 plus 46 plus 48 plus 50 divided by number of observation. Number of observation here is 5. Okay, so 35 plus 45 plus 46 plus 48 plus 50 divided by 5, that will be the average weight of these boys. Okay, so that is mean. Clear? So this is the formula. Mean equal to mean x bar. Okay, we can represent mean by x bar. Mean x bar equal to x1 x1 x2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot 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 xn by n, or that is equal to summation of xi by n. Here x1 x2 x3, these are the observation. Okay, n for number of observation. Okay, and this is called summation, or we also call it as sigma. Okay, sigma, this is the symbol sigma, that means summation. So summation xy or sigma xy by n, this is the formula for mean. Okay, now look at the example. Find the mean of the first 5 multiples of 7. Find the mean of first 5 multiples of 7. So first 5 multiples of 7 are 7 into 1 7, 7 into 2 14, 7 into 3 21, 7 into 4 28, 7 into 5 35. Okay, so these are the first 5 multiples of 7. Then you need to find the mean. Okay, so mean equal to, okay, so these are let's say 7 equal to x1, this is x2 14, x3 x4, and this is x5. Okay, so the mean equal to, the formula is x1 x2 x3, or summation of xi by n. Okay, so x1, that is 7, plus x2 14, x3 21, x4 28, plus x5 35. Okay, so the last observation is x5. So 5 is what? Your n, or the number of observation. So the formula is sum of the observation or summation of xi by n, the number of observation, that is 5. Okay, so this is 105 by 5 equal to 21. So the mean of the first 5 multiples of 7 is 21. Clear? Okay, next, mean for an ungrouped frequency distribution. So we have 3 methods: direct method, assume mean method, and step deviation method. Okay, so the first method is direct method. Okay, so for that you have to remember the formula. Mean x bar equal to summation of fi xi by summation of fi. Okay, so what is fi? Fi for frequency. Okay, and xi is number of is your observation. Okay, so mean x bar equal to f1 x1, this is the f1 for the frequency of the first observation, x1 for the first observation. Okay, so f1 into x1 plus f2 into x2, that is the frequency of second observation multiplied by second observation, okay, by f1 plus f2 plus fn. That means the summation of frequency. So this is the formula, summation of fi into xi by summation of fi, that is frequency. Clear? That means the summation of product of frequency and observation by summation of frequency. Clear? So this is the formula for direct method. Okay, now see an example. The age of 40 students in a class are given below. Okay, so this is the question. Age in years, that is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the number of students in the category 12 years is 6. Then in 13 it is 8, then 5, 7, 9 and 5. Okay, then find the mean age of this class. Okay, so age is given and number of students is given. So these are the observation, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, these are the observation, and 6, 8, 5, 7, 9 and 5, these are the frequency. Clear? Now make a table. Okay, so here age, this is observation as I told you, so represent this age xi. Clear? Then in the second column write down the number of students. Number of students is your frequency, so write down fi. Okay, then okay, so the formula is what? Summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So we make another column for product of frequency and observation, that is fi into xi. Okay, so write down the observation 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and their frequency 6, 8, 5 and so on. Okay, so make another row here, that is for summation of fi and summation of fi xi. So summation of fi is 40, that is 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5, that is 40. Okay, then summation of fi xi, first find out the value of the product of frequency and observation for each term. Okay, so 12 into 6 72, 13 into 8 104 and so on. Okay, then at last summation of fi xi equal to 72 plus 104 plus 70 plus 105 plus 144 plus 85, that is 580. Okay, now we have to find out the mean age of this class. Okay, so mean age equal to, the formula is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So summation of fi xi is 580, so 580 by 40, that is summation of fi. Okay, so 580 by 40 equal to 14.5 years. Clear? Next example, the mean of the following frequency distribution is 16.6. okay, so mean is given. Okay, so this is the table given, xi fi is given, observation and their frequency given. Okay, find the missing frequency p and q. Okay, so p and q, you have to find out p and q. Okay, so first make a table like this. In the first column write down the observation, in the second column write down the frequency, then in the third column write down the product of frequency and observation. Clear? Then summation of fi will be 72 plus p plus q, because p and q, the value of p and q is not given, I have to find out p and q, and summation of fi xi will be 1160 plus 15p plus 25q. Up to this clear? Okay, just make the table. Then first column write down the observation, then in the second column write down the frequency, then in the third column write down the product of frequency and observation, then at last in the last row write down the summation of frequency and summation of product of frequency and observation. Clear? Now mean is given. Okay, so Okay, so here fi summation of fi is 100 given because uh, it is written in the question the total equal to 100, that means the frequency. Okay, so total frequency equal to 100, but the total frequency, the summation of frequency is 72 plus p plus q. So you can write 72 plus p plus q equal to 100. Clear? Then p plus q will be 100 minus 72, that is 28. Clear? Now mean, the formula is summation of fi xi by summation of fi. So summation of fi xi is here the 1160 plus 15p plus 25q. Okay, so 1160 plus 15p plus 225q divided by the summation of frequency, summation of fi, that is 72 plus p plus q. Okay, now take 15 is common, so this will be 1160 plus 15 into p plus q plus this is summation of, okay, so 1160 plus 15 into p plus q plus 10q. Okay, we can write 15p plus 25q is 15p plus 25, sorry, 15q plus 10q. Okay, now here you can take 15 is common, so 15 into p plus q. Okay, this is 10q. Okay, so p plus q is how much? 28. Here the p plus q value is 28, so put the value of p plus q. So this will be 1160 plus 15 into 28 plus 10q divided by 72 plus 28. Clear? So this will be 1580 plus 10q by 100. This is the mean. Okay, but mean is given 16.6. Clear? So we can write 1580 plus 10q by 100 equal to 16.6. Clear? So 100 into 16.6, that is 1660. So 10q will be 1660 minus 1580 equal to 80. So q equal to 80 by 10, that is 8. Clear? Now p plus q equal to 28, then p will be q, the value of q is 8. Okay, so 28 minus q 8 will be that's 20, that is the value of p. Okay, so the value of p is 20 and the value of q is 8. Clear? Next question. Using the assume mean method, find the weekly weights from the data given below. Okay, so first understand what is assume mean method. So in assume mean method, you have to remember this formula, that is mean equal to a plus summation of fi into di by summation of fi. Okay, so what is a? A is assume mean. Assume mean means this is the middle observation. Okay, and di for deviation. Di for deviation, and the formula for deviation is xi minus a. A is assume mean. Okay, so xi minus a, that is the value of di. Okay, now the examples. Using the assume mean method, find the mean weekly weights from the data given below. Okay, so daily weights is given and the number of workers. Okay, so this is a question. So we have to find out the mean of this data by using assume mean method. Okay, so for assume mean method, first we have to find out a. Okay, that is assume mean. Assume mean means the middle observation. As you can see, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th observation. Okay, then middle observation will be the fourth observation. Okay, so 900 will be the assumed mean. Clear? Middle observation, the most middle observation will be assumed mean. Clear? So a will equal to 900. Clear? A for assumed mean, and assumed mean means most middle observation. Okay, so 900 is a. Then now make this table. In the first column, write down the observation. These are 800, 820, 860 like this. So, and 900 indicate this age mean, that is A. Okay. Then number of workers, that is frequency Fi. So write down their frequency 7, 14, 19 and so on. Then at last summation of Fi equal to 100. Okay. Then in the third column, write down the value of di. Okay, so di, the deviation is xi minus a is 900. Okay, so for each observation you have to find out the deviation. Okay, so the first observation, for the first observation the deviation will be xi is 800 minus 900. So 800 minus 900, that is the deviation for the first observation. So 800 minus 900 equal to minus 100. Clear? Then moving to the second observation, 820. Okay, so for this deviation is xi minus a. Xi is 820 minus a is 900. So 820 minus 900 equal to how much? 80, minus 80. Clear? Now find the deviation for each observation. Clear? By this formula, xi minus a. Xi for the observation and a for assumed mean, that is 900. Then in the fourth column, find out the product of Fi and di, the frequency and deviation. Okay, so frequency is 7, deviation is minus 100. So 7 into minus 100, minus 700. 14 into minus 80, that is 1120, and so on. At last, summation of Fi di will be the sum of all this, that is minus 880. Clear? Now we'll find out the mean of this data. So for that, we know the formula. The mean x bar equal to a plus summation of Fi di by summation of Fi. Okay, so a is 900, the assumed mean, the most middle observation, plus summation of Fi di is minus 880. So minus 880 by summation of Fi is here 100. Okay, so minus 880 by 100, that is 8.8. So 900 minus 8.8, that is 891.8. That is the mean of this data. So the mean weekly wage equal to 891.20 rupees. Clear? Next method, that is step deviation method. Okay, so for this method you have to memorize this formula. X bar, that is mean, equal to a plus h into summation of Fi ui by summation of Fi. A you already know, that is the assumed mean, and h equal to x2 minus x1. x2 for second observation and x1 is first observation. Clear? So h equal to x2 minus x1. Then ui equal to, the formula is xi minus a by h. Xi is the observation minus a is assumed mean, and h is this one, the x2 minus x1. Okay, now the example, the measurements in millimeter of the diameters of the heads of 10 screws are given below. Okay, so diameter, this is the table given. So these are the observation and these are their frequency. Clear? Okay, so by calculate the mean diameter of the heads of the screws using the step deviation method. Okay, so for step deviation method, first find out the value of h. Okay, so h equal to x2 minus x1. The formula h equal to x2 minus x1. So here x2 is second observation is 37 and x1 is 34. So 37 minus 34 equal to 3. That is the value of h. Then assume mean the most middle observation, that is this one, 40. Okay, so a equal to 40. Clear? Now make the table. In the first column the observation, write down the observation. In the second column write down the frequency. Then ui the formula is xi minus a by h. The value of h is how much? 3 and a is 40. Okay, so for the first observation, xi is x is 34. Xi is x is 34. That is x1 minus 40 by 3. Okay, so 34 minus 40, that is minus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 3 equal to minus 2. Then for the second observation, that will be 37 minus 40 by 3 equal to minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. Then you have to find out the value of u for each observation. Okay, then in the fourth column find out the product of frequency and u. Okay, so 10 into minus 2 minus 20, 19 into minus 1 minus 19, and so on. Then at last find out the summation of fi ui equal to 75 minus 39. Okay, equal to 36. Okay, 21 plus 54, that is 75, and minus 20 minus 19, that is minus 39. So 75 minus 39 equal to 36. That is a value of summation of fi ui, and summation of fi is 100. Clear? Now the formula is a plus h into summation of fi ui by summation of fi. Clear? So 40 plus 3 into 36, that is the summation of fi ui, 36 by 100, and the value of h is 3 and a is 40. Okay, so when you solve this you'll get 41.08, that is the mean. Clear? Okay, next the question. The weight of 7 boys in a group are 52 kg, 57 kg, 55 kg, 60 kg, 54 kg, 59 kg, and 55 kg. Find the mean weight of this group. So the mean is summation of xi by n. Okay, so n for number of observation, so summation of xi, that is the sum of all the observation, so sum of the weight of boys by number of boys, that is the formula. So the 52 plus 57 plus 55 plus 60, 54, 15 plus 59 plus 55 divided by number of boys, that is 7 or n. Okay, so that is equal to 392 by 7 equal to 56. That is the mean weight. Okay, next question. Find the mean of the first 10 odd numbers. So the first 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. These are the first 10 odd numbers. Okay, now the mean equal to sum of the observation, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on, by the number of observation. Number of observation means here we have 10 odd numbers, so divided by 10. So 100 by 10 equal to 10. That is the mean of the first 10 odd numbers. Okay, next question. The following table shows the weight of 15 workers in a factory. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, then we have to find out the mean. Okay, so first make a table like this. In the first column write down their observation. Observation is this is the weight 60, 63, 66, 72, and 75. These are the observation, and these are the frequency. Okay, so 60, 63, 66, 70, 75, then write down their frequency. Okay, then in the third column write down the sum, the product of frequency and observation, that is 60 into 4 240, 63 into 5 315, and so on. Then at last write down their summation. Okay, so mean weight equal to summation of Fixi by summation of Fi. So summation of Fixi is 975, so 975 by sum of the frequency is 15, so 975 by 15 equal to 65. Okay, so solve the question, the exercise. Today's homework is exercise 16a. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Thank you, students.